If you are looking for Gargle and Mouthwash, which kills a wide range of germs including bacteria, viruses, fungi, spores and simple organisms, and also help in sore throat and pain, then you have clicked the right video. The gargle which we are talking about is Betadine Gargle, which can also be used as mouthwash. In this video, we will discuss what is Betadine Gargle and Mouthwash, and what it is used for, how to use Betadine Gargle and Mouthwash, difference between gargle and mouthwash, how to store Betadine Gargle and other important information. But before starting the video, do like and subscribe the channel. Betadine Gargle and Mouthwash contains povidone iodine, which kills a wide range of germs. Betadine Gargle is used for treatment of mouth infection, treatment of sore throat, treatment of dry mouth, inflammation of the gums and mouth ulcers, for cleansing the mouth. Now let's see how to use Betadine Gargle and Mouthwash. If you are using Betadine as gargle, then for gargles, use 1:2 ratio formula. For example, if you are using 1 milliliter of Betadine, then add 2 milliliters of water. Similarly, if using 2 milliliters of Betadine, then add 4 milliliters of water. Just double the quantity of water as compared to Betadine. Take this solution to back of throat, and try to gargle for 30 seconds and spit out. Repeat after every 3 to 4 hours or as suggested by doctor. If using Betadine as mouthwash, then take it directly into mouth. No need to add water. Swish the solution in mouth for 30 seconds, and then spit out. Repeat after every 3 to 4 hours or as suggested by doctor. Now let's see difference between gargles and mouthwashes. Gargles are concentrated aqueous or hydroalcoholic solutions, used to prevent or treat throat infections. Whereas mouthwashes are aqueous solutions, with a pleasant taste and odor, used to clean the oral cavity. Gargles contain higher concentration of active ingredients than the mouthwashes. Gargles need dilution with water, whereas mouthwash does not necessarily need dilution with water. Now let's see special instruction related to Betadine mouthwash and gargle. It must not be used in children of 6 years and under. If you accidentally swallow any Betadine Gargle and Mouthwash, seek medical advice immediately, taking the bottle with you. Betadine Gargle and Mouthwash should be stored below 25 degrees centigrade. Betadine Gargle should not be used for more than 14 days. The information provided here is by a pharmacist. We gather all the information from relevant sources and then present it in front of you. Hopefully these videos are helping you. Do like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, just drop below, we will answer that.